Hello students, today we are going to understand the topic prepositions. Now what's a preposition? A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relationship with the rest of the part of the sentence. Means how it is related to the rest of the part of the sentence. Now let's understand first the preposition of place. A preposition of a place refers to the position of the noun or a pronoun in the sentence, means where the thing occurred, where the action happened. Now here are some preposition of places. These are up, above, after, under, near, down. For example, the aeroplane is flying above the clouds. The dog buried the bone under the ground. Now above and under, these are the prepositions of place. Now here you can see the preposition of place in a beautiful picture. This girl is sitting in front of a box. This boy is sitting under the box. That boy is sitting on the box. This boy is sitting next to the box. This girl is sitting behind the box, and the last girl is sitting between the two boxes. Now with these words in front of, under, on, behind, we can see the position of the noun in the sentence. Now to go deeper into the preposition of place. Now where to use in, on and at. In is generally used to a place which has a physical or a virtual boundary. On is used to show that the noun is on the surface of something. At is used to show that the noun is in a specific place. For example, in a hall, in a school, in a library, in a cinema hall, in all these things we will use the preposition in. On a table, on a blackboard, on a page, on an island, for all these things we will use the preposition on. For a specific place like the entrance, the bottom of the glass, at the front of the chair, or for all these things we will use the preposition at. Now coming to the preposition of time. Now preposition of time helps to link the noun or the pronoun with the time value. It functions as an indicator as to what point of time did the event occur. If the event has occurred, when or at what point of time the event has occurred, with the preposition we can understand. Like about, before, since, after, till, until, between, during. All these are prepositions of time. The train is about an hour late. The classes begins at 8 o'clock. My birthday falls on Wednesday. India has been independent since 1947. All these are showing the preposition of time. Now, when is in used? When we are talking about some season, year, month, centuries, decades, weeks, we use the preposition of time in. When is the preposition of time on used? Days, dates. In this, we use the preposition on. And at a precise time, we use the preposition at. Now, again, preposition of movement. We move to the next preposition, that is the preposition of movement. A preposition of movement is used to show the movement to or from a place. Means if the noun is going to a place or if the noun is coming from one place to another. Here are some examples of preposition of movement like down, past, behind, through, off, over, across. All these are prepositions of time. The cat prepositions of movement. The cat has climbed up a tree. The children got off the bus. She ran along the pavement. All these are showing some kind of movement. Here in this picture you can see the yellow line is showing the movement. The yellow line is going from the blue box. It is away from, it is coming into, it is going down, it is going through the green boxes, it is going along the green line, it is jumping into the green box, it is going across the green box. All these are showing the preposition of movement. Now here are some confusing prepositions in which I will show you the difference. Now in this slide we will understand what is the difference between among and between. Between is usually used with two, but sometimes it is used with more than two. Means if we are distributing some things between the two, we use the preposition between, and we are distributing something between more than in a group, then we say among. Okay, so let's understand with an example. The treasure is between the palm tree and the hut. Means there are two things in between, there is a treasure. The position is shown like this. But what's the difference between hate, loathing and disdain? Means here there are three things and we are finding the difference. There also we can use between. Now where is among used? Among is used to portray in a group. Means distribute the sweets among the children. There are so many children and you distribute the sweets among them. In and into. In is a still position and into shows movement. For example, he walked into the room, but he is in the classroom. Means he is sitting in the classroom. He is in a still position, so we use in. And when there is a movement, we use into. Beside and besides. Now, beside means next to. If someone is standing near to you, just next to you, we use the word beside. But besides means in addition to. It includes everyone besides me. Okay, so when we are adding or apart from anything, when we are adding to something or we are showing apart from something, we use besides. But besides show the position that is next to. Now we come to prepositional phrase. Every prepositional phrase is a series of words with one preposition and its object. Okay. The object may be the noun, pronoun, gerund or clause. Actually, the prepositional phrase acts like an adjective or adverb phrase. Like the boy walked the dog down the busy street. Now, down the busy street is a series of words which is working as a preposition. The word down is showing the preposition, the is the article, busy is an adjective and street is an object. So all these words are collectively known as prepositional phrase. So I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.